fairly heavy today. My nephew took his life last week, so that was a pretty sad thing for the family to deal with. He was a drug addict, 33, so you know, for him, I think maybe he's in a better place. And for my sister, whose son he was, I think she's got closure now. But it's just, yeah, it's just a pretty sad time for us all. He's been living overseas and finally got him back to New Zealand to try and get him into drug rehab, but he got turned down last week for drug rehab, and then I think he thought the only way out was to end his life. So yeah, it's been a heavy week. But it's my sister that's sort of carrying the weight of that, so I guess we're just keeping in touch as much as we can, and just, I suppose, offering emotional support. There's not much else that we can do really, but for my kids, I've got 2 sons, and so, you know, just trying to tell them how much we appreciate and value them too. So it's a good lesson for us all, I suppose.